It's me, Jimmy. So here is the USB-C 20 gigabits per second. Do not buy any USB-C. Make sure to buy a 20 gigabits per second. This one you can use for a 4K monitor or portable 4K monitor. Okay, as you can see, it can be used for the video output. Okay, this is like 1 meter. I was looking for 0.5 meter, but it was out of stock. Okay, okay. Let me just put the box aside. And here you go. I mean, the build quality seems quite nice. I wanna be honest here. I have no complaint. For example, like you like this. Okay, you can use with something thick. Maybe this one is not long enough. Let me be honest. This one is okay, but this one cannot like penetrate. So remember this thing in here. But this is not a problem with a portable monitor or laptop. The build quality seems quite nice and amazing for what it is. Yeah, that's enough. I can easily recommend it. You can check out my channel MBA Market Business Africa, where I talk about my African business journey and give you tips and tricks on how to start a business in East and West Africa. Also check out my travel channel Outing Journal, where I love to travel with my wife around the world. My wife is diagnosed with the retinitis pigmentosa, so she is like now 75% technically blind, but still we are not giving our hope. As you can see, my wife is half blind. You can check out this video. Also make sure to check out my Spider-Man review. This is Outing Journal. Also check out my online travel magazine Outing Journal, where I love to write about travel article, travel story, for example, such as this one. I love travel writing. I want to become one of the best travel writer out there. And I'm also teaching on Skillshare. Please check out Skillshare. I'm giving you a 1 month free trial. Here's my course on Skillshare. More courses are upcoming on Skillshare. I'm teaching on Skillshare. And also check out my courses on Udemy. Yes, my courses on Udemy, I have around 4 courses, over 20,000 students. Most of my courses are going quite well. Make sure to support me on Skillshare and Udemy. That's all. Keep going on. Never stop learning. Learn until you die.